So today we are going to be checking out this NEEWER NL-116AI 9-inch soft light right here, which I actually have. Now NEEWER did send this out to me to do my unboxing and review. Now let's do the unboxing. We have a user manual, tilt arm mount, the USB to USB-C tripod stand, and we have the light panel right here. Looks something like this. So right here we have the NEEWER light panel, which looks something like this. As you can see from the back right here, we have the feet which actually extend if you want to use it on a desk like this. Now behind the back right here, you can see we have some bit amount of control panel. At the top right here we have the panel to the front, so we can tighten it up and it can quite adjustable, so any way that we want to adjust it. Now in terms of the build quality of this device right here, I mean, most of the material on this is made from plastic, and I can say that it's pretty lightweight, so you don't have to worry about a lot of weight when carrying this around, and it's just very simple. Now one thing I also love about this light right here, we have different mounting options. So if we don't want to use this tripod right here, we can actually mount this onto our camera, and we can also mount this onto a tripod as well, which we can take advantage of the quarter thread mounting on this. So you can mount this various ways to accommodate your own lighting setup. Now what I also love about this as well, we have a LED light panel onto the back right here, which shows the battery percent, so we know exactly when this needs to be charged. And also when you look to the side right here, we can charge this two ways. We can charge it using the USB Type-C or a micro input device, which is a 5 and 3 volt onto this right here. Now we did get the USB to USB-C which come inside, which you can use to charge this right here, you know, if you worry about losing power whenever you're out shooting on a set. So I'm at 0% right now, and this is how it actually looks. So we can adjust the temperature and so forth of this light right. Alright, so the light is actually on right now, but you guys probably see some little bit of, you know, warm color. So let me see if I can adjust that. Behind the back right here, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but we have the option where we can change the Kelvin temperature. So right here we are at 32,000 Kelvin. Turn up the Kelvin temperature, so you can see a more cooler looking temperature right there, 56,000 Kelvin. Now this is actually the furthest it can go, so we can adjust the brightness. So we're at 0, and we can go all the way up to 100% of brightness right there, and that's how it look right here. I'm not using any other external light inside the room, and this is the quality of the light that you will actually get from this NEEWER light right here. So put it in front to this side and see how different that look right there. So as you guys can see, this is the light right here inside my room. I'm not using no other light, but you think though you can mount this whatever way that you want it to have the best lighting setup. So what I recommend though, I wouldn't really recommend this to use like as a key light, but you know, for what it is, it's great and it's really bright comparing to other light out there on the market, and it will work perfectly fine. So this light right here is a great little light panel if you're a content creator, you know, whether you're doing like run and gun shoots or like out. I don't worry about if you're carrying those big setup. I just want to need a neat little lightweight light panel to go with your setup. I think this is the perfect choice for you. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I will put links for this down in the description if you guys are interested in picking up one of these. So see you guys next time. Peace. I'm out.